Welcome to the top picks. The best Glad hand air hose is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any air brake system, ensuring a secure and reliable connection between your tractor and trailer for safe operation on the road. Without a high-quality Glad hand hose, you risk leaks, performance issues, and potentially dangerous situations, making the selection of this critical part a paramount decision for any truck owner or operator. This video will delve into what makes a Glad hand air hose truly stand out, guiding you towards the most durable and effective options available to keep your rig running smoothly and safely. Number 5. WYNNsky Truck Inflator Kit. Introducing the WYNNsky Truck Inflator Kit, your reliable solution for tire maintenance. This comprehensive kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features a robust 3/8-inch by 50-foot hybrid air hose with a maximum working pressure of 300 psi. This ensures durability and performance even under demanding conditions. The 1/4-inch NPT straight-on air chuck provides convenient access to valve stems, even in tight spaces. Reaching those difficult-to-access tires is no longer a challenge. A universal Glad hand is included, offering versatility for various air brake systems. This makes it compatible with a wide range of trucks and trailers. Its generous length is perfect for reaching the rear tandem axles on trailers. You'll have ample hose to manage inflation tasks with ease. We stand behind our product with a 1-year quality warranty. You can trust in its reliability and performance for years to come. What we like. This option offers a hybrid air hose that is long enough to reach the rear tandems on a trailer. If you need to connect to the furthest points on your trailer, this is the one for you. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. What people say. The Glad hand air hose is a reliable choice for air brake systems. Its durable construction ensures longevity and consistent performance. The hose features a flexible design, making it easy to maneuver and connect. Number 4. Flexzilla Truck Tire Inflator Kit HGH2 FC. Introducing the Flexzilla Truck Tire Inflator Kit, your all-in-one solution for versatile tire inflation. It's designed for professional job sites, automotive shops, and home garages. This comprehensive kit includes a 50-foot hybrid polymer air hose, a Glad hand attachment, and a 30-degree dual air chuck. Everything you need is right here. Experience unparalleled flexibility, even in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It remains pliable and easy to handle no matter the weather. Constructed for extreme durability, it features an abrasion-resistant outer cover and crush-resistant aircraft aluminum fittings. You can rely on its robust build for tough jobs. The innovative hybrid polymer material ensures it won't kink under pressure. It coils easily and lays flat with zero memory, making storage and use a breeze. With a maximum working pressure of 300 psi, it's ready to handle demanding inflation tasks. This tool provides the power you need. Stand out with the distinctive Zilla green color. This vibrant hue makes it easy to spot and adds a touch of style to your equipment. What we like. This kit boasts extreme flexibility in all weather conditions, from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and is made from a hybrid polymer that won't kink. If you work in varying temperatures or need a hose that coils easily and lays flat, this is an excellent choice. Its durable construction also makes it suitable for professional job sites. What people say. This kit has a very good build quality. Works great. Doesn't tangle like the cheaper hoses. Works great. Good quality, works good in the cold, very flexible. Number 3. Glad hand handles for semi-trucks and trailers. Experience superior durability with our Glad hand handles. Crafted from high-hardness steel and a robust aluminum body, they are built to withstand demanding conditions and meet industry standards. Upgrade your truck's air system in minutes. The extension handles feature a knurled design for a secure grip, making installation and replacement simple and quick, even by hand. Say goodbye to air leaks. Our Glad hands utilize wear-resistant polyurethane seals with a tapered base design, ensuring a tight seal and reliable performance under high pressure. Designed for a perfect fit, these handles are compatible with a wide range of trucks, trailers, and tractors. They serve as a direct replacement for many popular part numbers. Enjoy a secure and precise connection every time. The NPT port threads are manufactured with high-accuracy CNC machining, preventing air leakage and ensuring optimal function. With a glad hand size of 4.1 by 2.2 inches and a 1-2 NPT connection port, these handles are perfectly sized for your air brake system needs. The extension handle adds convenient length. What we like. This product features extension handles with knurling for easy, hand-tight installation and replacement. If you value ease of maintenance and a secure, leak-proof connection, especially for trucks and trailers with hard-to-reach glad hands, this is a great option. The high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance. What people say. Proven to last and easy to install. Strong, sturdy quality product. Very sturdy, works perfect. Number 2. 3-in-1 15-foot heavy-duty truck trailer cable wrap. This versatile assembly combines 3 essential functions into one convenient unit. Its 15-foot working length is designed to meet your heavy-duty work needs with ease. Featuring a 1-2-inch brass fitting, it offers excellent resistance to corrosion and rust. The high-quality copper in the electric cable ensures safe and efficient heat and electricity conduction. With ergonomic rubber grip handles, a single person can complete operations effortlessly. This design saves both labor and manpower, making your job simpler. Easily identify and connect glad hands with the distinct red and blue Duragrips. It includes an aluminum universal emergency air hose brake coupling and an anodized aluminum glad handle. The 1-2-inch FPT port ensures broad compatibility. It's designed to replace common part numbers like Phillips 30 to 2171 and Tektron 169157. What we like. This is a convenient 3-in-1 assembly that includes an electric cable and air lines, featuring ergonomic rubber grip handles for easy one-person operation. If you're looking for a labor-saving solution that simplifies connections with easy-to-identify red and blue Duragrips, this is the product for you. It's ideal for streamlining your trailer connections. What people say. The Glad Hand Air Hose is a high-quality product that is built to last. It is made from durable materials and features a reinforced design that prevents kinking and cracking. The hose is also flexible and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Number 1. Torque 3-in-1 ABS and Power Air Line Hose Kit TR813212. Introducing the Torque 3-in-1 Airline Hose Kit, designed for your semi-truck, trailer, or tractor. It seamlessly combines essential air and power lines into one convenient assembly. This kit features 2 durable black air lines and a green ABS-rated 7-way electrical power cord. Everything is neatly organized with a spiral wrap for a clean, professional look. Experience outstanding kink and abrasion resistance with our heavy-duty design. It includes a hanging clamp for simple installation and large grips for effortless coupling and uncoupling. The all-in-one design prevents snagging, tangling, and damage from abrasion or impact. All brass fittings and a reinforced tail profile ensure long-lasting protection and reliability. Rest assured with certifications including SAE J2394 for the ABS cable and DOT SAE J1402 for the air hoses. This ensures it meets stringent industry standards for safety and performance. This kit is designed to directly replace common part numbers such as Phillips 30 to 2151 and Tektron 169127, making upgrades or replacements straightforward. What we like. This 3-in-1 kit provides a clean, organized bundle of air lines and an electrical cord, designed with outstanding kink and abrasion resistance. If you want to prevent snagging, tangling, and damage to your lines, and appreciate a tangle-free assembly with easy installation, this is the perfect fit. Its certified components ensure reliable performance for semi-trucks and trailers. What people say. The Glad Hand Air Hose is a durable and reliable choice for any air brake system. Its construction ensures longevity and consistent performance, making it a dependable component for heavy-duty vehicles. Designed for ease of use, the Glad Hand Air Hose features quick connect fittings that allow for fast and secure attachment. This feature simplifies the process of connecting and disconnecting air lines, saving time and effort during maintenance or operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.